This is literally the greatest moment.
You cooling your booty?
This is the greatest moment of my life.
Michelle, what was that?
I don't know, but it was glorious.
Stick around to find out more.
Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Well, the alarm is going off, so I guess it's time to start walking.
It's 7:30 and the bells are ringing. Could you imagine if you wanted to sleep in today? No sleeping in.
No sleeping in for you.
But we're walking to La Verna.
We have a short day today, but it's also considered to be one of the most difficult days on the entire Via di Francesco. And guess what? No bus options.
Every day is the most difficult day.
So you are going to watch us stick through this, for better or for worse.
No one cares that the bells are going off. Like, the church doors aren't even open.
Oh, somebody cares in their bedroom. All right. Well, we have, I think it's 140 meters down and then like 600 meters up.
But look at this cute village. Where are we? Did you tell them where we are?
Biforco.
Biforco. And it's 1.6 or 1.8 kilometers technically off the route, which, you know, we bussed here.
Taxi.
Oh yeah, we taxied. Actually, the guy's car is right up here. Where we're staying, she called somebody, which was very sweet because the taxis would have been really expensive and out of the way. But we got to get walking.
All right, see the big mountain in the back and then the smaller mountain in the front, which is the dark diagonal line right in the middle of the road. It's La Verna is somewhere kind of around the corner of that first mountain, I think.
He showed us the church from a distance, but then the mountains covered it up, so.
Andiamo. While we are fresh this morning,
and walking on a road that we can like look up, look down, look all around and not worry.
let's talk a little bit about an honest review of this trail so far.
Okay, well, let me begin by saying we met the other night Marcus from Austria, which if you know Austria, it's hilly. He was even surprised by how difficult this was. He did the Norte 2 years ago, and as you may or may not know, we walked the Camino del Norte last year, and he was surprised.
Hey, there's a link to that right up there.
He was surprised at how much harder this is. Our thought was, when we did this is like, well, you know in the Norte how we have to go up and down like 6 times and how hard that was? At least you only go up once, down once.
Liar.
Well, first liar, but second, when they say go up, they do not play around. Brian, will you show us like an elevation chart, like from yesterday's walk?
Yeah,
right here.
There.
Yeah, and that isn't even the worst day. So it has been quite challenging. Quite challenging. But whose idea was this walk?
It was all my idea, but I take it back.
It's too late now.
Hey, who went along with this idea that I had?
I tried to convince you to change your mind multiple times.
Okay, this conversation needs to happen off camera. So I would say so far, each of our days here has been more difficult than the most difficult days of the Camino Frances. And by that I mean the Pyrenees, going to Orison and Roncesvalles. Ocebriero. And Cruz de Ferro.
Mm-hmm.
This every day has been more difficult than each of those days.
Yes, and what's made it more difficult in part is no services, no place to, like right now, we're walking in a road and there's a Tuscan home to our left that you'll see in just a second.
Got 5G cell service.
We've got things like items to distract our mind.
But is there a bar? Nope.
No, but I love on many of the routes those distractions, be it homes, a bench to sit down, a church to wander into, definitely a bar. We get none of that for the day, and it makes it very difficult to sit down and just take a break because most of the stones are uncomfortable to sit on.
From Biforco to La Verna, 8 kilometers, there's no services. You're like, oh, well, that's such a short walk. Shouldn't matter, you shouldn't need any food. Well, liar. But last night in Biforco, there's one little bar, and they have snacks and stuff, not really a restaurant. And our host said, oh, if you need to get some supplies from the bar, I'll just get the key, because the bar didn't open last night. So he just got the key and let one of the other people staying in into the bar to get some chips and snacks.
Yeah.
But we're getting none of that along the route today. And then when we leave La Verna and head to the next village, that's a longer day, and there's no services that day either.
And unfortunately, we didn't look that far ahead, so we didn't know, and we're not carrying enough supplies, so we've got to work this out.
And we're about out of cash, which is not typically a problem, but there's no ATM in the next 2 days at least.
But more than anything, to sum it up, one of the things that that we should say is this is Florence to La Verna. We gotta walk, Brian.
I think we're at the bottom of the hill, which means any second now we should start climbing a hill.
Please don't get my shoe wet. Please don't get my shoe wet. Please don't. Oh no.
Happy dance.
My legs are so wobbly from that. Are we sure we're done with the worst of it now?
Happy dance.
First of all, do you like my new bib? It's a sweat rag.
It's actually a dish rag that you bought at the supermarket.
It is, but it's working really well because I needed something better to absorb.
But wait,
and
you
I
gotta
get
see
it wet.
my big improvement.
Oh yeah.
Headband. Yeah, baby. Putting that buff to use.
We really, someone should say, I want to partner with those two people. They are hot.
Hey,
or I could fix them.
Hey, buff people.
I could fix them. Okay, so I don't know if
Start down below. Lower. Right there.
This town.
Rimboki.
That's the after we walked 1.5 kilometers thereabouts. We were down there.
So we started at the bottom of that valley.
But we technically started up. Am I pointing?
A little higher. Now over to your right. It's kind of right.
Brian's got it.
There.
Okay, that's where we started today.
That's Biforco.
Where we had a really nice sleep and really nice views.
We are not even close to the top of our climb.
Oh gosh, no, we've got about 5.5 kilometers left to go.
And it's all climbing.
There's a little straight part, a little bit. Today, we get each other, and well, there's a lot of each other. So we better get going.
Hey, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a peach.
You're a sour peach sometimes. Love you, babe. There can't be that much more to the top. But yet, my elevation chart says there is. Oh, okay.
Time 2 hours, 12 minutes, 24 seconds. Total distance 3.0 kilometers. Average pace 44 minutes, 8 seconds per kilometer.
That does not count about 30 minutes of breaks that we have taken. Michelle.
What?
We've reached the top of Poggio Montopoli.
Woo! But
3,356 feet. Exactly 1,000 meters according to my elevation guide.
Hours, 51 minutes, 49
4 kilometers.
Total distance
3 hours.
4.0 kilometers. Average pace 42 minutes, 57
Been slow going.
seconds per kilometer.
Slow going, but we are the tortoise, not the hare.
We will get there. And the views at La Verna are going to be amazing. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
We have finished the worst of our climbing today and the steepest of our climbing. We've got the next kilometer or two kind of along the top of the mountain.
Watch out for the mud.
So small hills, but
We got
nothing
this.
significant, hopefully. And
We're both
about to
feeling-
take a snack break.
We're both feeling good, right?
Feeling good.
There's our tea. That's one of the few teas that we see.
53 minutes from La Verna, according to the trail sign.
Which will take us.
For us, that means probably an hour and 15.
Yeah, we're a little slower, but that's okay. Wow.
Michelle, why are you going into this cave?
This is literally the greatest moment I've had on all Caminos combined. This is a refrigerator cave, meaning that what is coming out of here, the cold air that's coming out of here is as cold, if not colder than a refrigerator. Like,
I would say that the breeze blowing out of there is probably about 40, 45 degrees.
oh my gosh. Hold on.
And it was actually used in Roman times as a refrigerator.
This is literally the greatest moment.
You cooling your booty?
This is the greatest moment of my life. It feels so good. And guess what? There are no flies around here at all.
Because it's too cold.
I know. I'm fine.
Do not fall in.
I'm not going to fall
in.
in.
It could be deep.
It is deep. I can see the bottom. You should really come see it.
So you're going to have to move out of the way.
I don't want to. Why didn't we take our break right here? You guys, seriously, it's the greatest experience. This now
God, it's even colder.
I know. I told you. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Oh, wow.
Literally translates as the icebox.
La Ghiacchiaia.
And there it is. It's about a kilometer or so from La Verna.
Holy shit.
Hey, there it is.
I hope nobody heard that. Oh my gosh. Wait,
Well, I guess
wait
we
a
have
minute.
one more climb to go.
I was gonna say we have to climb up to that. Holy. Buongiorno. There are steps here. Bonus steps. Is the gate open?
Nope, it's welded closed.
Because
I was really hoping you were going to go up all the stairs and I was just going to walk right through the gate.
I know.
We said we might make it there by 1:30. We have 18 minutes.
The greatest moment of my Caminos is done looking at this hill. I hate a hill at the end of the day. Darn it. The views are pretty over there, but I don't know if I'm going to make it in time for dinner. Lunch. Oh, I smell food. Oh my gosh, I'm going to the food.
So you have?
So this is the first course, and for me, I have tomato sauce with rice, and you have like bread.
A panzanetta, I think is what it's called. It's a bread salad with tomatoes and basil and some lettuce and cabbage maybe.
I love the little bottles of wine.
From Montalcino though.
They need to know that I'm gonna need more.